the DJ's going down, it makes you cut a step in the doorway once you hear that sound. You walk over to him and say, man, that's my song. He hits his fist with yours and say, you're gonna hear them all night long. You pull yourself up a chair, throw your hands up in the air, and snap your finger to the beat, yeah. The waitress bring a drink to you, you take down a sip or two, and now the rhythm in your feet, yeah. Let's give a shout out to the DJs, party rockin' DJs, for playing all my favorite songs. He always make us wanna dance and slow it up for some romance and keep us grooving all night long. Let's give a shout out to the DJs, party rockin' DJs, for playing all my favorite songs. He always make us wanna some chicken wings. I wanna drink some ice cold beer, chase with my gin. Call my mother, tell her the shape that I'm in. I'm in a party mood, yeah.
Party all night, y'all.
Tell me how about you? Well, somebody come party with me. Let's make it do what it do. Well, I'm in a party. I'm stepping out tonight.
Having me a good time.
Got my gin and juice, yeah. I'm gonna feel alright.
Let's have
Yeah, I'm gonna roll with the dice. Wherever they fall,
let it be what it be.
I might be in an upscale club tonight, or some hole in the wall.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna be sharp as a pin, down no doubt. Some mother's daughter better look out, 'cause I'm in a party mood, yeah. Tell me how about you?
Take it up.
Well, somebody come party with me. Oh, let's make it do what it do.
Do it again.
Hey, yeah, I'm in a party mood. I'm stepping out tonight. Got my gin and juice, yeah. I'm gonna feel alright. Well, I wanna hear a mean DJ doing his thing.
Yeah.
Order me some french fries, some chicken wings, 'cause I'm in a party mood. Oh, let's make it do what it do. Hey, yeah, I'm in a party mood.
Let's party, y'all.
Well, tell me how about you? Yeah, somebody come party with me tonight. Let's make it do what it do. You know, someone came up to me the other day and said, Harold, they told me you had moved to Chicago. I said, what? Man, people always spread rumors. But let me straighten the rumor. I ain't leaving Mississippi. Mississippi is my home. If you think I'm gonna leave Mississippi, you might as well leave me alone. Now I was born in the Delta, not too far from Clarksdale. I was raised up on Hallmark, cornbread and turnip greens. I got my first piece of coochie in the middle of a cotton field. know where I'm at. I tell them to go head on, 'cause tonight I'm gonna take the rain check. You see my baby's coming over, so sweet and fine. Been so long, we ain't got love on our mind. The hole in the wall won't see me tonight, 'cause me and my baby, we're gonna be alright. We're gonna party. Gonna party at home tonight. We're gonna get our groove on until the morning light. Gonna make it do what it do. Have so much fun. Me and my baby, we're gonna be on the one. I got some soft music on. I'm gonna unplug the phone. I got some steaks on the grill. I got some wine and chill. It's a 7:45. My girl is on the way. I'm gonna fix up some drinks, and let this soft music play. You see my baby's coming over. She's so sweet and fine. Been so long, we got love on our mind. The hole in the wall won't see me tonight. Me and my baby, we're gonna be alright. We're gonna party. Hey, go party at home tonight. We're gonna get our groove on, yeah, until the morning light. Gonna make it do what it do. Have so much fun. Me and my baby, we're gonna be on the one. We're gonna party. Hey, gonna party at home tonight. Me and my baby, we're gonna be alright. I'm gonna fix up some drink, that gin and juice. Me and my baby, we're gonna get loose. We're gonna party. Hey, hey. Gonna party at home tonight. We're gonna get our groove on until the morning light. I'm gonna tell all my friends to go head on. Me and my baby, we're gonna stay at home. We're gonna party. Hey, hey. Gonna party at home tonight. We're gonna get our groove on, yeah, until the morning light. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take out the Hennessy, take out some Crown, take her up to bed and lay her down. We're gonna party. Hey y'all, gonna party at home tonight. Me and my baby, we're gonna get our groove on, yeah, till the morning light. Man, I went out the other night to this little blues club. Man, I'm talking about the place was so packed. And this fine looking woman walked in. Man, I just got to tell you about it. to take her with me tonight, y'all. Well, hey, she was making that booty roll. Oh, yes, she was. Girl was making that booty roll, y'all. Well, she was making that booty roll, booty roll. Oh, yes, she was. She was making that booty roll. Oh, yeah. She dipped the body to the left,
Roll it left,
she shook her booty to the right.
roll it right.
She bounced that booty, y'all. Oh, yes, she did. And rolled it all night. She was making that booty roll. Oh, yes, she was. All across the floor. Well. She was making that booty roll, booty roll. Oh, yes, she was. That girl was making that booty roll. Oh, yeah. She rolled the booty. Yes, she did. She did it in 3D action, y'all. Just like in a movie. That booty roll. Oh, yes, she was. She was making that booty roll. Oh, yeah. She shook it to the left and shook it to the right. Back that thing up and rolled that booty all night. That booty roll, yes, she was. Making that booty roll. She was doing the booty roll. Yes, she was. Making that booty roll. That booty roll. Oh, yeah. Girl was making that booty roll. Oh, yeah. She was making that booty roll. Yes, she was. Yeah. Girl, let me help you, baby. I can help. We gonna do this thing together. We gonna make it right. All right, baby? Check it out. I can tell the way you've been drinking, baby, that your man really pissed you off. You say you went out and cheated on your girl, and he didn't even care about the call. Well, I know he really hurt you, girl, and he deserves to be hurt too. The only way I know to ease the pain is do to him what he did to you. Now a taste of his own medicine, girl, that's the only thing I know will help. And after what he did to you, girl, well, you don't need to be all by yourself. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Girl, let me help you get even with him tonight. Girl, let me help you make things right. Right now I know you're mad, girl, and you really don't have to be. When you're even, baby, it'll solve all your misery. I know he didn't care about your feeling, baby, sneaking around behind your back. And after all the wrong he did to you, girl, you deserve to pay him back. Now if he thinks he's getting away, he'll just keep on cheating on you. But if you want him to learn his lesson, girl, it's so easy, baby. All you got to do, let me help you get even with him tonight. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Girl, let me help you get even with him tonight. Girl, let me help you make things right. I know he says he's sorry, baby. I don't believe that is true, but I know he'll be sorry, baby, if you do to him what he did to you. Girl, I know you're mad. Well, tonight. Girl, let me help you make things right. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Girl, let me help you make things right. Low down dirty man, cheating behind your back. Girl, you deserve to pay that man back. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Let me help you get even with him tonight. No good man cheating on you. Here, baby, what we gonna do? We gonna give him a taste of his medicine, help ease your pain. Girl, you don't worry, play the same game. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Let me help you get even with him tonight. Girl, I ease your pain and make. Ooh, we girl, oh yeah, hey baby, yeah, yeah, well, baby, there's one thing I want you to understand. I'm gonna give you what your heart desires. Girl, your wish is my command. Girl, as long as you're here with me, I'll be whatever you want me to be. You're my lady, and I'm here to please. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. I wanna be your one-stop lover. You won't ever need another. You'll always be my darling dear. Anything you want, you can get it right here. All the guys are trying to get to you, but little girl, don't you be no fool. All they want is the one-night stand. But girl, I'm gonna be an all-true man. Girl, as long as you're here with me, I'll be whatever you want me to be. You're my lady, and I'm here to please. Your satisfaction a slow through walk. Then do just what you feel, oh, and don't hold back at all. Hey, you'll be doing it out, doing that booty slide. Hey, yeah, back and forth, side to side. Everybody out, doing that booty slide. Hey, y'all, back and forth, side to side. Woo! Well, anyone can do it, 'cause it ain't hard to do. Just let that music move you until it grabs a hold of you. Hey, just move that booty up and down and shake from left to right. Then slide to the left and work that thing all night. Hey, yeah, I'm doing that booty slide. Everybody, back and forth, side to side. Everybody, yeah, doing that booty slide. Hey, y'all, back and forth and side to side. While all of you look booty women, please don't be afraid to try. Some of y'all can do it, oh, it make any man nature right. Now fast can't stand it. Hey, the men are watching her like a hawk. Oh yeah, she's doing that booty slide and making that monkey talk. Oh yeah, hey, doing that booty slide. But big birds triple inside. I get a thrill all over. Hey, just seeing that booty slide. Hey, doing that booty slide. Everybody, back and forth and side to side. Everybody, hey, doing that booty slide. Afraid to try. Oh yeah, the lady y'all really can do it. Hey, oh yeah. Hey, everybody doing that booty slide. Everybody back and forth and side to side. Come on, y'all. Hey, doing that booty slide. Everybody, yeah, back and forth and side to side. Monkey talk. Look at the ladies doing that thing. Hey, that booty slide. Doing that booty slide. That booty slide. That booty slide.